Welcome guys, welcome back to another Rubik's Cube video. My name is Patrick. Today we are showing you guys how to fiddle with a Rubik's Cube. But right here I have my magnetic moyu meilong 3M, so it would be easier to use it. My other cubes don't turn well and they don't have magnets. This is my only magnetic cube. So let's start off with Ruru. I'm not going to say the original way because I want to keep it family friendly and I don't want to get too monetized. But it's quite simple. Use your right hand here and push the right bit up. Get your right index finger, push this top bit to the left, and then use your right hand to push the right bit down. And then you get your left hand and then push this top bit again to the left. And then you're just going to use it until it solves itself. The way you do it backwards is do it like this. So what I did there is that you use your right index finger, do that right like once, then use your right hand, do it up like that, get your left index finger, do it like that, your right hand down, and then you just repeat it and then it'll solve itself. This one is MU prime. This one is called MU prime. So you move the middle piece once up and then get your left index finger and then push the top bit to the left and then repeat until it solves itself. The way you do it backwards is the right index finger to the right and then your right index finger again to push the middle bit down. And then you repeat that until it solves itself. Make sure you have a good turning cube or else you might accidentally scramble it during the video. But there's another way. You can do Lulu, which is technically Luru, but on the left. Use your left hand, put this left bit up, and then your left index finger, put it like that, and then get your left hand, put it down, your right index finger to the right. So it might be a little bit tricky since I'm not used to it. And then done. To do it backwards, you just do it like this. Wait a minute. Oh, let me figure it out. So I do it like this. So use your right index finger, go to the right, your left hand go up, and then your left index finger to the right, and then your left hand to down. Done. So now you are gonna do a little pattern. Not really a pattern, but let's just do another way to fiddle. So this is it's R-U-R-F. So it's you do ru, so do up, you do R-U, so like this, and then R down, and then you go F, which is like moving the face to the right, and then you repeat that algorithm until you actually solve the Rubik's Cube. And then the way you do it backwards is cool. So move it like this, you do F prime, which is like this, and then you do this, do F prime again, that, F prime again, that, F prime again, that, F prime, that, F prime again, that, F prime again, that, F prime again, that, F prime again, yeah, I got confused with my words, but okay, that's how I do the other way. Now you are going to do this. What is it called again? So this is called X prime, Y prime. and then just repeat that algorithm until you solve it. You can do yx, so it's y prime and x prime, like this. Until it solves itself. Then put this back, put that back. So there's another type of thing you can do. Well, it's not doing this because it will scramble your cube up, but it's ru. You do your cube like that. Make sure it's not scrambled so it won't work. So do u prime and r, u prime r, and you're gonna repeat it, and it's gonna solve itself. You repeat it 63 times, as what I heard. Just repeat it until it's solved. I know it might take a long time if your cube turns garbage, but I did say that I recommend a good turning cube. So, see, the way you do it backwards is do r prime and then u, and repeat it until it solves itself. You should start having this happening to your cube. As the white bit, there's this little block that isn't even being changed. And then it'll start. It's about to be solved. Just watch until it gets solved, because it does take a little bit of tedious time. As I was showing you while I was doing it, this bit, and then there's this one bit, and then this bit was still in the normal shape, because you're doing a normal move, which is two different moves with a prime and a no prime in it. So technically, doing this takes longer. Doing this, I know it does take a long time to do it, but please don't waste your time doing it, so it might just get your cube scrambled. And there's also a way to do a cool pattern if you don't know how to do checkerboards. So this is how you technically do it. So what you do is do double moves, like that, like that, like that, like that. And then boom, you've done the checkerboards. I know this does look green, but it's yellow. And you do it backwards, doing two more on each side. Done. So this is the whole entire fiddle tutorial for the Rubik's Cube, especially for the moyu meilong 3M. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell not to miss any videos, and comment down below for more. Also, a bonus fiddle move. So if you want, don't do this. Don't do that. That'll scramble your Rubik's Cube. You don't want to do it, especially when you don't know how to solve one. This is how to do, well, what you are going to do is, maybe follow along what I do. I mean, I already did this. Never mind, just exit the video. Bye.